Okay, section 3.4, folks, adding and subtracting mixed numbers. I don't. Bennett, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't add or subtract mixed numbers. I know how to add and subtract fractions, so I change them to fractions. That's the easiest way to do it. When you're dealing with mixed numbers, sometimes you have to borrow from the big number and add it to the fraction so that you have enough in the first number to subtract the second. No. That's too much for my small mind. My small mind needs something easy to work with. So if I have this problem, it's fine. Change the mixed number to a fraction. Example number 1, 2 2/5 plus 1 4/5. Cedar, would you please change this first one? Tell me what it is as a fraction.
12 over 5.
It's 12 over 5. Bottom times big, 5 times 2 is 10, plus top, 10 plus 2 is 12. So I get 12 over 5. Perfect. Thank you, Cedar. Luke, will you please change 1 4/5 to a fraction?
1 4/5, that is 9/5.
It's 9/5. Remember, bottom times big, 5 times 1 is 5, plus top, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9/5. Okay? Fine. 12/5 plus 9/5 is what, Casey? 21/5. I'm done. Or am I? Is it reduced, Gray? Gray, is it reduced?
Is it the oh no.
Is it? Casey told us that it was 21/5. Is there anything I can do to reduce that?
Yeah.
What goes into 21 and 5?
What you can, isn't the reduced fraction on the improper fraction is the mixed number, right?
No. No. Please get this straight. What Gray is asking me is, to reduce this fraction, do I need to change it to a mixed number? No. Just leave it as a fraction. Unless, Gray, you'd like to change it back to a mixed number. You can. Change this. How many times does 5 go into 21? 4. With how much left over? 4 1/5. There's my answer. And that'll be the answer on the answer sheet tomorrow. But Cedar, can I leave it like that?
Yeah.
Yes, I can. If I wanted to do anything with that 4 1/5, I'd have to change it back to 21/5, wouldn't I? Okay? Now, Gray, you and I were talking earlier. You said, I like to do the mixed numbers, deal with the fractions, deal with the whole numbers. And that's fine. And you know what? In this one, it might have been easier. Add the fractions, 2/5 and 4/5. What is that? 6/5. Add the big numbers, 3 6/5. But we can't leave it like that. It's 4 1/5. Easy. Easy. But we don't get a lot of problems like this.
Yeah, that's how Miss Smith taught me last year. She taught me that if it's just a mixed number, and they have the same denominator, and it's just do.
And that's perfectly fine. Are you happy that I showed it this way, though? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Because you know what?
What I would have done is probably done the mixed number.
Like this, and that is perfectly fine too. This is going to help you with more complex problems, okay? All right, good job. Let's look at the next one.